CO2 carbon neutral plan in Copenhagen is about to show that it's possible to make this transition to carbon neutrality in Copenhagen, but in fact also to show that a small big city can do that, and by that, if we can do it, it will also be possible in other cities. And cities are key in this transition, because if you see globally, people are moving to cities, we see a growing middle class, and we have analysis that shows that if infrastructure in the coming decades, new infrastructure in energy, transport, water, housing and so on, if that's not sustainable, we cannot solve climate change.
Denmark has been a front runner. We were the first country to get a ministry on environment back in '71. We were doing a lot politically, but also amongst the population. We had very early organizations that were dealing with nature conservations, dealing with pollutions, dealing with educating young people. Education for me is the key to the future. If you don't educate your kids, you won't have a future for a country. So for me, there's no doubt, also when we talk about the environment, it is so important that the environment is a part of the teaching in the school.
I would say environmental issues is really part of our DNA. We build upon a long tradition in Denmark on be cautious related to environmental issues. Copenhageners are behind us. When we talk about CO2, it's very much related also to the economy. So the premises for what we're doing here is of course CO2, but it's also that we can make this transition without extra cost for citizens in Copenhagen. So that is also a challenge, and at the same time also create green growth for the society. So it is a combination of looking at business cases where we can make innovation and also do it in a way so test it, so we're sure that it's working, and then implement it. So I think we have a role to play, and Copenhagen wants to be part of that role.